SanDisk stock has exploded, and whenever that happens, the first question is simple. What actually changed? Before looking at the chart, you need to understand what SanDisk does. At its core, SanDisk is a flash memory company. Flash memory stores the photos on your phone, the apps on your laptop, files on USB drives, solid-state drives, and massive pools of data inside modern data centers. Most people recognize SanDisk from memory cards and flash drives, but today, the business is increasingly focused on enterprise SSDs. These are high-speed storage drives used inside data centers, the facilities packed with servers that run cloud computing, streaming platforms, websites, and now artificial intelligence. Another important detail is timing. In 2025, SanDisk became an independent public company again after separating from Western Digital. Spin-offs like this often attract new investors and can reprice quickly, even before the underlying business fully settles. So why has the stock been moving so aggressively? The biggest driver is AI. Training and running AI models requires enormous amounts of fast, reliable storage. As AI adoption accelerates, demand for memory products has surged. SanDisk has also been signing longer-term customer agreements, which could make revenue more predictable than in past cycles. That last word matters. Memory is a cyclical business. When demand is strong, prices rise fast and profits can explode. But when supply catches up, prices can fall just as quickly. This cycle has hit every memory company before, and competition from giants like Samsung remains intense. So who might consider this stock? Investors looking for exposure to AI infrastructure and data center growth may want SanDisk on their watch list. But the real question is whether today's AI-driven demand becomes durable growth, or whether the market is pricing perfect conditions far into the future. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice.